Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another beauty video, and in today's video I'll be trying something I've never tried on myself. But before that, I actually have the 3D lashes I reviewed in my last beauty video. You can click the link right here to go watch it. I'm absolutely loving these. You can't even tell, or you can tell, I don't know, but personally I can't tell, and I love it so much. It looks very realistic. But in today's video I'll be trying on lashes for like the first time in my life. I've never fixed lashes for myself, mostly because I'm scared of anything that has to do with my eye area. Even like putting eyeliners and everything, I always end up crying. I'm scared of anything touching my eyes.
The struggle of doing anything on Bethel's eye. Struggle. When I say struggle, I mean struggle.
Just do it.
Just
Where should I look?
don't
That's
look.
what, I don't
Be normal. Look straight.
Okay.
No, okay. Look. Don't blink, please. I'm begging. Don't cry too.
So fixing lashes for myself is a okay, but I found out there's a thing called magnetic lashes. Yeah, so I'll be giving it a try today, and I'm going to let you guys know how it holds, because this is the Ienvy by Kiss, and it costs $14.99 at the beauty supply. I think they have some on Amazon. I'll put a link down below if you want to get it from Amazon. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Kiss or anything like that. I'm just trying on magnetic eyelashes because I really want to see how I look with lashes, and I'm also scared of using lashes, but I think magnetic lashes might just be the solution to my issues. So these last 16 hours and they are wind resistant. They're also reusable, and they say no smudge. So basically how this works is you use the eyeliner on the thing and then you put the lashes on. So let's see how this works. I'm also going to give a 16-hour review to see if it actually held on for that long. So first things first, you use the eyeliner and just line where, okay, they said shake vigorously, so let's shake. Let me see. I actually don't like eyeliners like this. I like the pencil eyeliners because those are the easy ones to use. So I'll go ahead and put this one and come back. So you're supposed to put it where you want the lash to sit and then let it dry and put the lash. So I'm going to do that. So I'm done putting the eyeliner on this eye. I'm just going to go ahead and let this dry while I put this one. Okay, so it's all dried and I did 2 layers, so my eyes kind of feel heavy. Is that normal? I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this one. I don't know how to take out the lashes from. So the lashes have 5 magnetic strips. You can see. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Go ahead, use my hands and place it. Oh, it's actually like trying to stick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Seeing myself with lashes for the first time. What do you think? It's not even that obvious because it's like, okay, but look at it and look at it closer. Okay, so now the thing is, if you notice, this one is a little bit higher. That's because I did this side like thicker. So next time I'm going to do this, I'm going to make it like as skinny as possible and as close to my eyebrow as possible. It's close to my eyebrow, but like, and also you can actually adjust this as many times as you want. Let me know what you guys think, but for now let's just see if this holds. So I'm going to give you like updates every few hours to see how it holds. But from now, I kind of like, I'm digging how I look with lashes, you know. Okay, not bad. Okay, so I fixed this one to get closer to my eyes. So now I'll just update you guys every few hours. Keep watching. Okay, so this is after 2 hours and it's holding up pretty nice. Like it hasn't moved from where I put it, and it's 2 hours after. So this is 5 hours into me wearing these lashes and they haven't moved. They haven't gone anywhere. Bro, I'm taking this whole thing, like, am I still wearing lashes now? Okay guys, this is after 10 hours of having it on and it still has not moved. So I'm definitely trying this again. 10 hours. It's really 10 hours of having it on. So I'm not home yet, but when I get home I'll see how many hours it has been, and then I'll try to take it off, and then you guys know how taking off experience is. Okay guys, so I've had the lashes on for 11 hours. Wait, 11, no, actually for 13 hours. I've had lashes on for 13 hours. I started shooting this video at 10 a.m. because I put the lashes on at 10 a.m. and right now it's almost 12 a.m. so that's really close to 14 hours, and they haven't moved a muscle. They're still exactly where they are. So right now I'm just going to take them off. I think to take them off, you just pull them like this, and it's that easy to take off, but it did not come off at all day. It was really good. I recommend this 100%. And you notice my eyebrows stayed too. These were the 3D eyebrows, if you remember. They stayed too. The lashes worked perfectly. I recommend this. 5-star. I'm in love with it. I would definitely buy it again. It's just $14. So I used it a couple times and then buy another one, a different style or something, but I absolutely love this. So if you liked this video, leave a comment on what you think, if you've tried magnetic lashes before, and leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.